Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to set up Google Analytics on your Squarespace website. So let's begin. Google Analytics is a platform that collects data from your website and apps to create reports that provide insights into your business. So it is very easy to use. First step, you just go to your Squarespace website. Click on the link and open in a new tab. I have already created my website, so I just go to my account dashboard. Okay, go to my website. After opening in website, the first step is go to the Google and type Google Analytics. Okay, after click on the link and open in a new tab. Here it is, our Google Analytics website. If you already created your account, go to and click on admin. If you don't have an account, so click on create new account. After creating, you have to name your website. Let's name my unique website. Scroll down and check the boxes that you seen and click on next. Now this is our property setup. It is very easy to use. Name your website agency or property name. I name is my agency. Here it is, currency and program. You can click on show advanced option. Here it show you go universal analytics property will stop collecting data. Create property instead. Okay. Click on create bot analytics property, or you can also deselect. Now click on next. Here is need your business information, so you can select any one of these. Business size, what is your business size? You can, if you have small size, you can click on small. If you have medium, click on medium. If you have large, click on large, or you have more than 500 employees, to click on very large. I just click on small. Now you can how to intend to use Google Analytics with your business. Tick all of this. And click on create. Now this is, click on docs and click on I accept. Also click on next, scroll down and click on I accept. Okay, great. Your account and property had created. Okay, after creating, this is our new option, data stream. Go on data streams. Here you can see the three options: web, Android app and iOS. You have to click on web. Okay, this is our main page. Here you can see you have to copy your main URL. In my case, I created my sample website, so I just copy my sample website domain. But in your case, you have to copy the main URL of your website. I just remove the HTTP sign. You have to select HTTPS for better SEO. Now name your website unique website. Okay, after configure the option that you have seen. Okay, it's look good. Click on save and click on create theme. After it, you have seen many options here. Now you have to click on the last option, tag instruction. Here you can find many options here. Now you have to click on install manually. Now you can see here the code. You just have to copy this code. Click on copy. After, you have to go to your website. After going to your website, click on settings, click on advanced, click on code injection. Okay, here you can see your code. Now just paste your code here. Okay, great. Now click on save. Okay, bravo. Now your Google Analytics is set up on your website. So guys, in this way you can set up your Google Analytics on your Squarespace website.